All right, so hello again. So yesterday we talked about problems. And while I know maybe still having a little trouble figuring out which problem is the big problem, I'm hoping by the end of the week we can do that. So we talked about problems yesterday, which are the things that are bad that happen in our story, the things that maybe make our characters frustrated. And today, what I want to talk about is the solution. So, the solution is the fix to our problem. So, we're going to go through and we are going to write down some of the solutions to the problems we came up with yesterday. So, my problem was I missed the bus. That was one of the problems that could happen to me in my real life. So, if I miss the bus, what is the solution? What how am I going to fix my problem? What do you think? I could get someone to drive me. Yeah, so I could get a ride. I could walk. Or I guess I could wait for the next bus that probably comes in 15 minutes. So those are all solutions to my problem. My problem is that I missed the bus and I still need to get somewhere. So my solution is I get another way there or I wait. If I forget my lunch, what is the solution to that problem? You could ask your teacher for a lunch, or you could ask your friend for a lunch, or what else could you do? You could call your parents. All of those are good solutions. You could go to the snack shack. All right, so what if it's raining and I don't have an umbrella? What is the solution to my problem? I'm getting soaking wet. I could go inside. I could share with one of my friends if I wanted to. So, in stories, there's always going to be, in our fiction stories, a problem and a solution. So, what I want you to do today is, even though we talked about problems and solutions, I want you to go back, and I know yesterday you maybe pulled out a couple of the different problems in your story. I want you to figure out what the main problem was. Maybe there was a couple different problems. But what I want you to focus on today is usually the way that we can tell what the main problem in our story is by paying attention to the characters. So the character is going to be really troubled, really sad about whatever this problem is, and he's going to do a lot of different things to fix that one problem. So what I want you to do today, maybe you need to create a list of the different problems in the story and then go through and figure out what's the main problem, and maybe pay attention to how the characters are feeling and the title of your story to help you figure out what's the biggest problem, what's the main problem, okay? And I will see you tomorrow.